Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration BX68YFA. Ford Transit Custom 2.0 EcoBlue 170 PS Low Roof D, Cab Limited Van Auto. It has done 141,000 miles with 2 owners from new. It has an automatic gearbox and comes with 2 keys. The van comes with air conditioning, alloys, auto lights, Bluetooth, cruise control, DAB, NAV, parking sensors, tow bar, heated seats, heated windscreen, reverse camera. This custom crew looks stunning finished in orange glow metallic. It's the perfect crew van for a work team to arrive at jobs in style, or for use in adventure and leisure. Fitted with a tow bar, your options are limitless. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available and warranty is included. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to 3pinesgarage.co UK now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.